Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Big Bear Fishing. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, do that for me. So first of all, we're up here in, I'll show you real quick. We're up here in West Virginia. Beautiful West Virginia. We are going to be up here all week. We're going to be doing lots of fishing. Hopefully trout, smallmouth. We're staying at my boss's place that they have up here. Really nice place. Appreciate you letting us stay here. I went to Walmart. I don't have a fly rod. Ezra has a fly rod. I don't have one. So I got this 5-6 weight. This is 8 foot. It's just the Cortland Fair Play. That's already pre-rigged with line and everything, but that's what we're going to be using. That and I'm going to be using a spinning rod too. I got a case for it. I put that all together. And got some new lures just for the trip up here. Different flies. Got that from, there's a place called Dunham Sports up here. Just a few flies. I'm going to be putting those to work. I like this. There we go. Alright, y'all, so we're going to go down pipe stem. It's pretty cool. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, so we are down here at Pipestem. This is part of the Bluestone River. Look at this water. We're gonna start with Joe's fly. I got just like a bug. I've seen a lot of bugs, so that's what I'm gonna go with. I think Ezra's tying on a black gnat of some sort because he's seen little beetles. But yeah, this looks really, really good. I can't wait to get out here. We're gonna hopefully catch some trout. Maybe a smallie or two. I don't know how many smallie there are in here, but maybe some creek chubs. But let's get after it and catch some fish. Nice. A little smallie. Look at this little guy. That is so cool. Look at that. He's a chunky butt. Got pretty eyes. He is chunky. Thank you. There he goes. Check this out, y'all. Something hatched. I don't know if those are turtle eggs or snake eggs, but that's pretty cool. Or something ate them up out of there. Need to get my lure out of here. Okay, y'all, check out this spot. This looks really, really good. So I'm still using that Joe's fly. See the, I took the barbs. I broke them off of this because you're not allowed to have any barbs on. Let's see if we can't catch fish. That's why that other had a smallie that hit earlier, and that's why it got off. Get down and make my profile really small. Got him. There's a little smallie. That's so fun. Hey bud. Just stop so I can get you off of there. Hey, look at that little guy. So pretty. There he goes. Oh, it's a little rock bass. That's pretty. Chunky butt. Chunky butt rock bass. That's pretty. That's a new species. God, he is eating really good. Look at that thing. This chunky little rock bass. He's been eating everything. What we got? Another little rock bass. Pretty. It's really pretty. Alright, that's a really pretty one. See the black on him right there? Got like black on here. It's really pretty. Been eating while he's chunky. Ooh, different. Little sunfish. It's really pretty. The blues in them. It's really pretty. Alright, also switched over to a yellow. It looks like kind of like an egg sac. Actually, it kind of looks like an egg sac, but it also kind of looks like maybe like a bee. Trout. No, that's chub. It's a good sized chub. It's a fatty. Dang it. Well, it's a good thing I took the barbs off. Oh, he got back in. Yeah, she's blading pretty good. She's blading pretty good. I am. I just got that right in the finger. I'll wipe it off. Yeah, I just got it right in the finger. Oh, creek chub. Creek chub! God, that is a fat one. Okay, okay. Yeah, stop. Stop. There he is. I'm gonna let him go because these ones are... Alright y'all, check out this spot. This looks like it could be a trout spot right here. Ah, creek chub. Wet my hand because these are kind of like trout as far as the slime coat. Alright dude, get you out of there. God, they're so strong. Another creek chub. Oh, buddy. A smallie. Little bronze back. small jaw. Alright, bud. Alright. Stop and I'll get you up there. A little small now. Ready? Come on, buddy. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, so we switched it up a little bit. We are at Little Beaver State Park, and I switched over to a topwater prop bait. Just gonna catch bass on this before in bluegill. We're gonna see if we can't catch something here. We left the other place because they said that if the winds got up to 20 miles per hour, which they started to get really windy. So they said if it got too windy, we couldn't ride that tram back up. Nobody wanted to do the hike, so it's like 3,000 feet. But anyway, we're going to get out here and hopefully we can catch something on topwater. What is it? What is it? What is it? That's a little largy. That's a little largemouth. It's a little West Virginia largemouth. Yeah. That's awesome. But he is fat, look at him. West Virginia largie. Fat West Virginia largie. He's not big, but he's special. That's awesome. Alright, y'all. That's it for the video. It's what, 6? Probably. It's like 6 o'clock, so we're gonna head home. Ezra and Jesse have been very, very patient all day. But anyway, I got one little bass on that. I mean, that's not too bad. We're gonna get after it tomorrow. I don't know if we're fishing tomorrow or not. I think we're just hiking.
Probably. We might.
I don't know if we're fishing tomorrow or hiking, but this is the end of this video, and if you could do me a favor and subscribe and hit the like button down below, comment, and I'll catch y'all in the next video, which will also be a West Virginia video, and hopefully we'll be catching some trout.
Hopefully. Hopefully I catch like 10
10
at least,
and hopefully I catch
that's my goal.
Take care.